Much better.
So what's the problem?
It's Bombos.
How'd he get so big?
He unearthed an ancient curse. Don't ask me how. The important thing is we've been asked to help. You see, ever since then, he's been sleeping and growing and growing.
I don't get it. Why should we care about a sleeping creep like Bombos?
Because if he keeps growing, he'll eventually explode. And if that happens... Ow!
Time to defuse this Bombos.
Elementals!
Air!
Water! Forest!
Earth! Reveal to us the Keeper, and give to them your chair!
And the keeper is... Earth! It's you, kid. Looks like your lack of sleep is already getting to you.
What? I'm not tired. I wasn't yawning. I was clearing my ears.
I hope not, because we've got a Gorm to save.
Get ready, guys!